How you doing, guys? This is Jules. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so you know when we got new videos out there. And if you are in another social media, go ahead and follow us. So, guys, as you can see here, this person is asking a question that is important, that if you are doing DTF printing, you understand your machine and you understand parts that comes with your machine, because that's going to give you knowledge if something is wrong with that machine. Okay, so this person said this was sent with a print head. Has anyone replaced this theirs yet? How do I know if it needs to be replaced? So she's talking about the white ink circulation pump. So I have one here, as you can see. This type of pump also is used in different machines, also in aquariums, because this one flows the liquid inside in this tubing, right? So the part that she's asking, how do I know this need to be replaced, is when this part get damaged. And the way you know is that it's going to start leaking the white ink. It's going to start leaking from this point over here. And that's way you're going to find out that the tubing that is inside here is damaged. So what you can do is replace the tubing. So you don't need to replace the whole part. Or if this get burned, then you need to replace the full part and get a new one. So in this case, this person, I already replied to her that she needs to keep this on hand just in case something happened. But as you can see, just a little bit, I'm going to open this. It got like one clip here and the other clip here. So I'm going to show you again how to do it. So you remove this part, okay? Then it got another clip here and another clip here. So you remove this clip. It's a little bit tight. Then you're going to have access to the full part over here. And this is where you're going to see this right away. If it's leaking the ink, it's going to be right here. Somewhere it's going to have a pinhole and it's going to be damaged. So you can replace just this part over here. Okay, just removing this. You could take it out, take the tubing out, and then replace it and put it back all together. Just to let you know, this part is tricky. So it's going to be easy to come off, but when you go to put it back, it's going to be tricky because you're going to find that it's going to be a little bit hard because you need to put the tubing underneath those wheels, okay? Because when this is circulating, all of this part here is going to move, okay? Once you got that, you can put it back. Then you take the motor again and put it back. Just find a way. You hear the click, and there you go, and you have all these already. So that's the two ways you can do it for this part over here. So you can replace either the tubing or you can replace the full part. And if you're looking for the full part, we sell them on our website. So you can check it out, kingdomdtf.com for that. Okay, guys, so I hope this video is helpful. I got another video explaining the same. If you have not taken a look at that one, you can watch it, because in that one I take apart, I believe the part is inside. So I appreciate, guys, for everyone that is following us. So if you go to our YouTube channel, if you are watching this video in another platform, you're going to see a bunch of video that we have made during the last 5 years about DTF printing, because we do tutorials, like to show people so they can learn and be up to date. Also, we go to a couple of expos time to time to see what is new, show you what is new out there in the market and all of that. And if you're in Orlando, here in Florida, or if you're coming this October to Florida, there's going to be an expo coming in October from 22 to 24 is the Printing United Expo. So we're going to be there participating of that, showing our UBDTF printer, our regular DTF printer, and also, of course, saying hi to everyone they're coming to say hi because they have been watching our videos and also participating with other partners over there. So I appreciate so much, guys, that you are part of this community and want to learn about your machine and all of that. Okay. So as always, guys, my name is Joss. Keep printing.